Here we're going to have a look at linear equations now. So here's our general equation of a straight line, and it goes like this: y equals mx plus c. So m is the gradient or slope, and that looks at how steep the line is. So if it's a very steep line, the gradient is going to be a bigger number. If it's a shallower line, the gradient is going to be a smaller number. And it can also be positive or negative depending on what kind of trend we've got. Now C is where our y intercepts, and that's where it cuts through our y-axis. So in this example, we want to just have a look at the graph and just explain, if it makes sense, what the y-intercept represents. Now sometimes this is going to be a sensible thing to do, sometimes it's not. So in this case, we've got our height versus our weight. So this one, in this case, our y-intercept is going to represent the weight of a person with a height of 0. Okay, so it's going to be where it cuts through that y-axis, and that's when our height is 0. And in this example, that doesn't make a lot of sense because it's not possible to have a person of height 0. They don't exist. So that doesn't make sense in this case. But in other situations, it would make sense to talk about when the x value is 0, what would the y value represent?